red pants, green pants, oops, blue coat, oops, red socks, oops, green shoes, yellow shoes, blue shoes, oops, yellow hat, green shirt, blue pants, purple socks, and red shoes. Oops. Say yay, all done. You want to do that again? She was just howling, cackling a minute ago. Just cracking me up. Okay, here you go.
Your brother, making
Red
poo.
shirt, blue shirt, yellow shirt, oops. Yellow pants, red pants, green pants, oops. He has pants on his head. Blue coat, oops. Red socks, oops. You're so funny, Anna. Green shoes, yellow shoes, blue shoes, oops. Yellow hat, green shirt, blue pants, purple socks, and red shoes. Oops. Okay, that's good. About 20 minutes. Okay. Oh, what are you doing?
Start over.
Okay, don't go over in there. Want me to get your nose? Okay, here we go. There it is, I got it! I got it! Do you want it back? Do you want it back? You need to pop Nana's nose? Okay. Andy, you want me to get your nose? You want me to get your nose? I got it! I got it! You want to eat it? I'll give you Anna's nose, you can eat it. Oh, there it goes. I'm going to get yours. I'm going to eat it. Can I have it for supper? Where did Anna's nose go? You put your nose back? Here, Anna's nose back? Okay. There it goes. It's back. Let me put your nose back. Here you go. Here's yours. No, don't. You put it. It's enough. Can I put yours back? And put yours back. Pop. Okay, yours is back. Are you eating it? Oh! I'm going to get your ears. Where'd they go? They're in my tummy. I ate them.
Oh, Seth is upset because she ate his nose.
You want your ears back? Okay, I'll give it back.
Okay.
There it goes. It's all back. Oh, it's all
Okay.
back. And want to come up here too? Okay. Here you go.
Okay. Mommy's hugging her children.
Oh.
This is a mommy
Mommy's
moment
getting some
here.
cuddling. Oh,
This isn't anything like the single days.
See, Mommy likes being cuddled by Nana.
Where's your nose, Seth?
Can Mommy get your nose, Anna? Can Mommy get your nose? Ready? Here you go. Look at your nose! She said, no, you didn't. I know it's still there. You want to put your nose back, Anna? Here it goes. Here it goes back. Here it goes. Bump. You taking your own nose off? Yeah. Okay. Mommy gonna go stir up the dinner.